Hi travelers, check out the BAGSMART Compression Packing Cubes, a 6-piece set designed for carry-on suitcases. These cubes feature new V-shaped stripes and corner protrusions that add 20% more packing space. Whether you pack a capsule wardrobe or multiple outfits, these cubes compress garments to minimize luggage size without sacrificing style. The set includes 5 cubes in small, medium, and large sizes, plus a bonus shoe bag to keep your footwear organized. Built for real use, these cubes have no broken joints or thin materials, ensuring durability. Their double zipper and compression zipper work together to save space and keep your items secure. BAGSMART is passionate about travel and offers support if you encounter any quality issues. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.